Welcome back, everyone. It is finally Friday. It is a very warm afternoon. We're seeing a lot of sunshine, just a few clouds, but later on tonight, those clouds will come back once again, and yes, there is a chance for some patchy overnight fog. Look at the temperatures right now. We are in the upper 80s toward the east in Weslaco, 89 degrees, also 89 in Raymondville, but mid-80s in Port Isabel and Brownsville. Look out west, 95 in Rio Grande City, 91 in McAllen, 92 in Edinburgh. Here's your evening planner forecast. We don't see major problems, at least for early on this evening. It's mostly sunny, a little breezy at 7 p.m. with a temperature of 83. Then we're down to 77 degrees at 9 p.m. It's partly cloudy, also partly cloudy at 11 o'clock tonight with temperatures in the mid-70s. This is the final 2 days for many for spring break. If you're heading to the island tomorrow or Sunday, it is going to be warm and a little breezy with winds out of the south to southeast at 10 to 20 miles an hour. We'll have clouds in the morning, but partly cloudy skies by the afternoon, up to 77 degrees on Saturday and 78 on Sunday, and the rip current risk will be on the moderate side. So here's a surface map. Winds continue from the south here in the valley. We're still on the backside of high pressure centered over Florida. A lot of rain today for parts of the southeast from Louisiana into the Florida Panhandle. Out west, we have one front draped over Southern California. That will eventually make its way to the valley, but not until Monday, and it's going to be a quite weak front. There will be a little bit of a cool down for the mornings, but the high temperatures come Tuesday will still be in the lower 80s, but at least it will not feel humid behind the front just in time for next Tuesday. Here's future track. Early, mostly clear skies early on this evening. We'll see increasing clouds as the night goes on, so it's mostly cloudy. The wind should come down enough so there is a chance for some patchy fog. This model thinks we could see a few showers. I think it's overdoing that rain chance for Saturday morning. Should be mainly dry for most areas. We could have a shower maybe offshore by tomorrow morning. So it'll be mostly cloudy for tomorrow morning. We'll see decreasing clouds as the day goes on, so at least partly cloudy, maybe even mostly sunny for some areas by tomorrow afternoon. But get ready for a very warm weekend. High temperatures will be in the lower 90s for Saturday and Sunday, even Monday before the front comes through. For tomorrow night, clouds increase once again. It's mostly cloudy for Saturday night and Sunday morning. And then once again, much like tomorrow for Sunday, we see partly cloudy skies return for the afternoon. On the water, we'll have winds out of the south to southeast at 5 to 15 knots. The bay waters are in moderate chop. Your next tide is a high tide at 4:39 this afternoon, and the seas are 2 to 5 feet. Again, rip current risk is moderate. So for your Friday night, mostly clear early, but the skies will become mostly cloudy late. There is a chance for some patchy overnight fog. It's very mild and even muggy with a low temperature of 70. There are the winds out of the south to southeast at 5 to 10 miles an hour. So after clouds in the morning, it becomes partly cloudy by the afternoon. Very warm, a little bit breezy with winds out of the south to southeast at 10 to 15. High temperature on 90 degrees. We'll see upper 80s for the lower valley, but low to mid 90s for the upper valley. And here's that 7-day forecast. So it is a very warm St. Patrick's Day Saturday with partly cloudy skies. It is breezy on Sunday and very warm with partly cloudy skies in the afternoon. High temperatures are up to 93 degrees. I'm still thinking the high temperatures reach the lower 90s at the least on Monday ahead of that front. Then behind the front, it is going to be cooler. This is not a very strong front. This front's coming from the Pacific Ocean, so that's why it's not a very strong front. But it is going to feel cooler in the morning when you wake up. And by the way, that's the first official day of spring. So for the first day of spring when we wake up, it's going to be even nicer and cooler. Some of you may want a light sweater or jacket. 59 by Tuesday morning. They're the best words of all. Not humid during the day on Tuesday with a high temperature of 82. Look at Wednesday. We're down to 57 degrees when you wake up. High temperatures back to the lower 80s on Wednesday with mostly sunny skies. That's your first 4 and 5 forecast. Back to you, Taylor.